Hi, this is Laurie Letzo, your Biz Insight guide. Today's question is, how do I enter income in QuickBooks Online? Well, there are several ways on how you can record an income item in QuickBooks Online. First, you can create invoices by going to the plus icon and choosing Invoice. Once your customer pays you, just open the invoice and click the Receive Payment button. Now, if you don't bill customers and sales are paid right away, you can enter a sales receipt. Just click on the plus sign and choose Sales Receipt, which will both record the sale and the payment at once. Secondly, you can use the bank deposit function to increase your income account. To record a bank deposit, first click on the plus icon and choose Bank Deposit. Second, choose the bank account to wish to deposit the funds. Third, select the transactions you want to deposit in the Select Existing Payment section. Fourth, in the Add New Deposits table, add any additional items to include in the deposit. And lastly, click on Save and Close, or Save and New to enter the next transaction. If you have any questions, please enter your comments and questions in the feedback below, and we will get back and respond to you. Thank you.